This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and confirming it's off with a tester, safety first. Next, gather essentials, screwdriver, wire strippers, wire nuts, ladder, and set them within reach. Once your hands are steady, remove the glass or shade and hold the fixture while you unscrew the mounting screws. Make sure to note how the old fixture sits against the junction box so you can mirror that position. Secure the fixture briefly while you inspect the wiring and junction box condition. You now disconnect the fixture wires, labeling or photographing each connection to preserve orientation, hot, neutral, and ground. Carefully untwist and remove old wire nuts, then straighten and strip about 1/2 inch of insulation so you have clean copper for a solid connection. Next, fit the new mounting bracket to the junction box and feed the fixture wires through it so the assembly sits flush. Once the bracket is secure, you're ready to make the electrical connections in a controlled sequence to ensure reliable contact. You finish by making the final connections. Twist hot to hot, neutral to neutral, and attach ground securely. Use new wire nuts and a short wrap of electrical tape for extra hold. Mount the fixture to the bracket, tighten the mounting screws evenly, and snap or screw the canopy into place before reinstalling the shade. Once done, restore power at the breaker and test the light. If it flickers or won't power up, shut off power and recheck wire, nut tightness, and correct wire pairing with your tester. That's the most common fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.